G&D Audio presents an unabridged recording of Bitcoin, Cryptocurrency, Blockchain by Cecil C.J. John. Narrated by Timothy Andrés Pabon. Preface. In 2007, the mysterious and anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto developed Bitcoin, authored the Bitcoin white paper, and created and deployed Bitcoin's original reference implementation. Who is this person or institution that also devised the first blockchain database? How do we know Nakamoto isn't a country? The release of Bitcoin and blockchain by Nakamoto remains as sinister as his disappearance in December 2010. Estimates put the value of the Bitcoin he left behind and still unclaimed at $56 billion as of November 2021. According to Tapscott Group CEO Don Tapscott, blockchains, the cryptocurrency's technology, could revolutionize the world economy. Blockchain technology is a distributed, decentralized ledger system that offers transparency, immutability, and security. Everybody has complete trust in the blockchain database because it's not governed by any single organization, meaning it's open. You can transact directly to its receiver with blockchain technology, which includes any third party. Blockchain will change the world by getting rid of centralized control. No central authority can control your assets anymore. The blockchain size of the blockchain market is projected to grow from $4.9 billion in 2021 to $67.4 billion by 2026 at a compound annual growth rate of 68.4%. Bitcoin has been suggested as an attractive medium for international remittances because of the borderless nature of cryptocurrency. Since anyone can use the blockchain, there's no need to send payments through a bank or centralized money transfer institution like Western Union or MoneyGram. Many people around the world regularly send money to their friends and family abroad. Blockchain advocates say that Bitcoin can facilitate remittances by removing intermediaries and reducing the costs of overseas payments. In 2019, the World Bank projected that the remittances industry was worth $540 billion. Blockchain technology has ushered in a powerful new version of the Internet referred to as Web 3.0. Web 3.0 arises out of frustration with how a tiny number of powerful trillion-dollar corporations practically control the data and services on the Internet today. One evening, while watching the TV show Money Heist, I suddenly realized how much we, the masses, accept the government's role in creating and governing money without question. In the episode I watched, a self-described bunch of losers breaks into the royal mint of Spain, seizing hostages with one ultimate goal: to stay in the mint for as long as possible and print as many unmarked euros as they could, in effect minting their own money. Money Heist deftly showcases how, although we take the objective reality of money for granted, it is basically a psychological illusion. I wrote this book because I was inspired by the potential for blockchain to wrest power from a tiny, centralized minority, be it big corporations or governments, and more equitably distribute the governance of monetary currency across the masses. As I researched the material for this book, I became aware of communities worldwide that have decided to start printing or minting their currencies as an alternative for trading to government-controlled fiat currencies. These communities challenged the notion that a currency was only valuable if created and governed by the government. One example of an alternative currency is the Brixton pound, now exchanging against the pound sterling and Bitcoin. Another alternative currency I recently learned about is Acoin, a cryptocurrency developed by hip-hop artist Akon, who has raised $6 billion to build a few.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?